Welcome back to the video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the Shibano price prediction 2023 and year 2023. What is the price of Shibano in 2023? In this video I will show you, friends. Before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button and like this video, friends. I know you all subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS. Thank you so much, friends. So now, friends, in this time the price prediction on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of research, we decide the price of the Shibano token, that what is the price of Shibano token at this time in now in this time in 2023. Here the January 2023 price of the Shibano is 0.0002465 USD dollar is the current price of the Shibano token in the January 2023. Let me show you, friends. That is the January 2023 price of the Shibano token, friends, in the USD dollar, friends. And now the current price you can see here, friends, 0.00010 and 60 USD dollar. That is the current price. And let me show you, friends, the February price of the Shibano token. Same like that, you can see here the February price of the Shibano token. Approximately a 0.0002027 USD dollar is the February price of the Shibano token. Same like that, you can see here the March price of the Shibano token. This all we decide on the basis of technical analysis, 0.0002338 USD dollar, friends. But friends, as you can see here now, this time if you look the price of the January 2023 and February and seem like that the March, the price is very low, friends. We decide this price on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of price changes occur, but maybe we can't say about the future. As you know, we can't see about the future. Maybe tomorrow they start a quick jump and the price will become highly. Maybe in the last 1 week they become a quick jump and the price will become $1 USD. So we can't say about the future, but if this kind of same like that as now current situation, if the currently changes continue in a Shibano token, so this price will be in the 2023, friends. So don't lose hope and don't lose hope. Maybe I think my personal prediction is that there is a big jump coming soon in a Shibano token in the 2023, friends. So wait for it. I hope the price will become highly, friends. Same like that, here you can see here the April price of the Shibano token, May price, the whole price is as 0.0000 something. So that's mean if this kind of changes continue in a Shibano token, so the price will become very low, friends. So I hope that if this kind of changes continue in a Shibano token, which is currently changes, so you are in the profit, but you get a very low profit, friends. As you can see here, the price that's gradually start moving up and increase, and now this chart, from the chart you can easily understand that is the January, February, March, April, May, June, July, same like that the 12 months price of the Shibano token in the 2023 you can see here, friends. So absolutely, that is the price prediction of the Shibano token. What will you how do you feel about Shibano? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.